What's up, everybody? Good to see you, sort of. I got some stuff for us to do, for you to work on for your next assignment, and some small lecture items, things that I think will be helpful for you, but also things to challenge you as you continue to work on this assignment. I'm speaking of your graphic narrative story now, right? So you've been reading McLeod, you've been getting hopefully some ideas, maybe challenging your ways of telling a story using some of the special effects he mentions. One thing for us, of course, you've been breaking down your near-death or the fight story you had observed as a witness or a narrator into a structure that looks something like this. We have here, you see 6 frames per page. You may already be ahead of me. Now you remember you're supposed to have this and then a second page, which is this. So basically you're supposed to have 12 frames at this point, which could of course be 2 pages if you're doing 6 per page. However, here's what we need to do. You notice that McLeod, of course, spoke a lot about the breaks between pages and how design on the page became important. So what I'd like you to do is to break your pages into sequences of at least 3, or you could even have 2, maybe even 1, like this. So you see here we have 3 frames per page. One more time. Here we have 6 per page. So what we're doing is we're taking, let's just say, these first 3, and we're making them look something like this, which of course means this one here is going to have to be pretty important. Maybe you might want to do it like this. Depends what you're trying to do. Also, you could even think of it like this, or even this. And as I say that, maybe you might even be more daring and try something like this. Here we have a little egg of action happening, and then some other kind of sequence here, but it's up to you. Even this, right? So what I challenge you then is to move from 6 frames per page to 3 frames per page. A lot of paper here. Alright, so have at it with that. Good luck. You'll probably have to do some things maybe where you'll change the perspective. Think about moving closer to the character, further away from character. Also things with lines of action connecting different frames. Good luck.